Hello, it's Bob, here in the Dean's office in the College of Engineering at the University of South Florida on day 61 of Operation Engineering. How are you doing? And I hope this message finds you and your loved ones healthy and safe. I've taken a few days off from coming into the office. I'm actually talking to you from my house. And looking forward to getting back to campus, as I know that some of you are. You probably know that President Corral has announced that today we begin phase 1 of the return. And if you're interested in what constitutes phase 1, please take a look at the USF coronavirus link website. It's in the message today. Not too much has changed in phase 1 for most of us. And the plan is to go to phase 2 on June the 29th, assuming that all the information that we receive suggests that the senior leadership will go ahead and move us into phase 2. And the idea is to try to get to phase 3 as the fall semester begins. So in this question of the phases and in other questions around the return, I highly suggest you keep taking a look at the USF website, the coronavirus link for updates. Now, last time we talked, I listed some attributes that I thought described the College of Engineering during this COVID-19 crisis. Well, Pam, one of our outstanding staff members in Qatar, has suggested a few others. Those are faithful, grateful, supportive, dependable, and inclusive. Great additions, Pam. Thank you. And if we've missed some of the ones that you think describe the college, please send those in. Pam also suggested the quote for today. It's actually an excerpt from a song by Seals and Crofts titled Desert People. Let me read a couple of lines from that verse, and you can take a look at the message for a little bit more. Farther along we'll be at ease. The world will be free of disease. The most great peace will come, and all mankind will live as one. What a great suggestion, given the anxiety and the stress that many of us are feeling during these times. So thanks, Pam, for sending that in. If you have any other quotes that you think would be appropriate and helpful, please feel free to send those in. The virtual hometown map now has over 2,100 visits. So if you haven't sent in your hometown, please do. Remember, let's keep talking. The email address to send in your photos, your stories, is the same. It's in the link. It's linked into the message again. So a couple of things I wanted to tell you about today. One is from the USF Foundation. So the foundation is holding a 30-day fundraising effort for a fund titled Creative Engineering to Address Global Challenges. So if it moves you to do that, to donate, that would be much appreciated. There's a link in the message. We're using the funds to support our COVID-19 response. I can tell you that Michael Celestin and his team have produced and delivered now over 12,000 face shields and 750 ear savers. So we'd like to continue that project and others. So take a look at that in the message. Also, we have a message from marketing and communications, and Russell and Lorraine have created an Adobe Spark page that really, in a very interesting and exciting way, describes our efforts, the college's efforts, in the fight against COVID-19. So take a look at that. And Ryan Wakefield sent in some wonderful photos of flowers and some of the visitors to those flowers. So thanks, Ryan, for that. So as we close, as usual, I want to thank you all for all you do for our students and for student success and all you do for each other. As we start to transition from phase 1 to phase 2 to phase 3 and ultimately to the final phase 4, I want you to know I'm very much looking forward to seeing you all in person and having some time to catch up on all the things that have happened in the last months. So please stay safe, be well, and we'll talk again soon.